Mweri-ini wa 11 mwaka muhituku nirio uria wari mucirithania munene David Maraga aneanire mendekithia mamuthia kuri President William Ruto, mendekithia maya makirongoreria kung'ethanira na mathina maria magumire ruhonge rwa borithi. Mwandiki mukaru ministryini ya ugitiri wa THIINIRAYMOND Omollo agitariria wirutiri wa thirikari hari ukinyaniria wa mendekithia maya.
As development partners, we stand ready to continue support to this really important set of initiatives.
We are looking at what the priorities are for the year, that is 2024, and how we can better collaborate and how we can better partner to achieve those priorities. Maybe just a top highlight of some of those priorities. One is with regards to the institutional reforms within the security sector.
Akiaria nandiki mohoro thutha wa gikaro na nyitite mi sector-ini ya ugitiri, Omollo ugite thirikari ni irarira njira cia kung'ethanira na mathenya maria meho honge-ini cia borithi na njera.
The MARAGA task force has made these very, very important recommendations around terms and conditions for police, the accountability of police, and around the policy and legislative framework. And again, we're very excited as partners to be supporting government to take that forward.
We commit to implement the MARAGA report to its fullest extent.
Has been ongoing discussions to address the gaps that are there, particularly within the National Police Service and the Kenya Prison Service. At the end of last year, the Chief Justice Emeritus Maraga presented a report, and that report had a raft of recommendations, almost 600 of those recommendations that needs to be implemented.
Omollo augite ni mahotete gukurana mendekithia maria mafatie gukinyanirio na ihenya uria kwahoteka, no na gukiri uguo kwina maria marafatara motaro kuma utongoria wa ngathi cia iguru niguo gukinyanirio.
Been able to break down those recommendations and prioritize what needs to be implemented immediately, what needs to be implemented in the medium term, and also what will take 2 to 3 years to actualize. And while at it, we have also been then able to isolate a few of those recommendations that would require policy guidance and direction from the leadership, the top leadership in government.
Thirikari iratanya gukinyaniria mendekithia ma kamiti no kwa ihinda ria miaka 3.